Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Today's manicure is a special collaboration with Madam Glam celebrating Mother's Day. They have prepared a 40% off coupon code which you can use if you purchase products on May 10th. Be sure to enter using the link in the description box of this video and use the code MDShenny40 to take 40% off your purchase. Valid on May 10th. Thank you to Madam Glam for this wonderful collaboration. Stay tuned if you want to see how I created this beautiful manicure. I'm starting off with this Madam Glam nail polish as the base. It's called Not Your Usual Purple. Today we're going to be using this Madam Glam New York Chrome Mirror Pigment Powder. This one is called Horologium. I apply the polish and before it's completely dry, I pat on some of the pigment powder. And with my finger, I gently rub it on the nail. I'll use the Born Pretty Plate Valentine's Day BPL001 to stamp a beautiful image with my gold Beauty Big Bang stamping polish. This one is number 11. As an extra touch, I'll add a few of these beautiful gemstones. And we'll finish off applying a shiny top coat. And here's a completed manicure using these beautiful Madam Glam products. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Happy Mother's Day to all of you that are celebrating this special day. And remember, if you want to use the 40% off coupon code, I will have a link in the description box of the video. The code is valid for May 10th. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!